So, Lenovo sent over their new ThinkPad USB4 Smart Dock 5500. And honestly, the packaging alone already tells you a lot. First thing out of the box, a little card for the Lenovo Accessories Fleet Manager. And there it is, that signature ThinkPad look. Matte black, bold red accents, feels solid in the hand. On the front, you get two USB-A ports and a USB-C, perfect for your everyday peripherals. Flip it around, and this is where it gets serious. HDMI, two DisplayPorts, more USB-A, Gigabit Ethernet, and the USB-C host port that runs the whole thing. This is the cable doing the heavy lifting. USB 4 at 40 gigabits per second. One cable, power, data, displays, everything. And powering it all? A 135-watt brick to keep your laptop charged while it drives up to 3 external displays.